Behind me, I have the refreshed Keystone Bullet Crossfire. This is the 2026. This is the 260 RBS. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, so this is the 260 RBS by Keystone. This is the Bullet Crossfire. This is one of their more premier models. Over on the left, you'll see all the specs on this model. Be pulling up the floor plan here for you in just a moment. This model comes with a ton of options. It's absolutely loaded, a little over 30 feet, so over 7,000 pounds, and solar. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside. We'll start right here on the front cap. So this is a fully painted front cap. Love that these guys are doing this. These usually end up looking terrible over time, so the front of your camper is gonna stay looking nice. You've got that diamond plating down below for any rock chips. You'll see up the sides, you're gonna have full LED running lights. I absolutely love that. Nice little safety feature there. On the front, you've got two 20-pound tanks. You've got a little spot for your chains and even a spot for your plug. You do have a battery disconnect back here, and something I want you to take note of, there are no batteries on this unit yet. That's gonna be important as we come to the inside. Coming around the other side here, sorry for being a little tight. You see down the side of the unit, this is all vacuum bonded walls. You've got the slam shut latches, magnetic holder at the top. Love that Keystone's doing that. Plenty of pass-through storage over there on the far side. That's gonna be your inverter prep. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Got this great awning up top, all LED lit. JBL speakers up there, they didn't spare any expense. Down here, we've got these new stairs for 2026. I love this. This is gonna let the dirt through the steps and not go into the camper. I think that's a really great feature. Coming around here, look right here, you got the thermal package. That's a 30,000 BTU in this. This is fully heated enclosed underbelly. Guys, we're talking a 35,000 BTU on most fifth wheel, so great package there. We've got our Goodyear Endurance tires. That's wrapped around some beautiful aluminum wheels. Those Goodyears are good up to 87 miles per hour, a 1-year no excuse guarantee. You've got an inverted plug out here. Keystone really takes care of us on the speakers. This is your tankless water heater. That is a Girard tankless water heater. And then I'll step back here because this is an amazing outdoor kitchen. I love outdoor kitchens that give you a little cover, not to mention the awning is over it, but just gives you a solid cover there. In case it's a windy day, maybe you don't have your awning out. You do have a really good sized fridge. You got your griddle, sink, little light over here, and then some great storage space as well. And then let's take a look at this fridge. I mean, look at that space. This is awesome. So great outside kitchen. Around the back, since we're a little shaded here, you can see full LED strips there for your brake lights. No one's gonna miss you. Full size spare. You've got your bumper with your holder there for your sewer tube. And then check this out underneath. This unit comes with full power stabilizers. So this isn't automatic leveling, but full stabilizer system on a unit this size is really great. Come around the back here, you do have your prep up there for your backup camera. Another prep for the ladder. This is a fully walkable roof. Come down here below, this is a 50 amp unit, so this is prepped for a second AC. Come around to the other side, one slide unit. Again, this is a rear bath unit. You've got your BAL exact slides. Hook up back here for sewer, gray and black tank. And then down below, I want to talk about that axle. This is a Dexter torsion axle rubber ride. So that's got a 10-year warranty on it. And what this is going to do, is this is going to really give you a better ride when you're going down the road. Then right up front here, you've got your fresh water, city water, fresh, your winterizing. Again, here's your charge controller, your shut off. They give you a 40-foot hose in this model. I think that's great. And then a little spot here comes ready for solar. And as we back up, you'll see the solar panel on top. That's a 220 unit. Also on top, the Winegard Air 360. That's amazing for getting all your digital TV channels. And with that, let's take a look inside. All right, we're gonna take a walk inside. As we head in, you get this beautiful all glass door. I love this. It is very heavy, very easy to close, unlike most RV doors. We're gonna come in, the very first thing we're gonna see here is this door. So this door opens up to an amazing pantry space. Absolutely tons of storage space, very deep. You can put clothes, food, actually stand up a broom and mop in there. And on the outside, make sure you get that bottle opener for when you're heading outside with a cold one. Got your panel right here. All your switches, your slides, tanks. That is your Furrion thermostat. So that is a 15,000 BTU unit. And then right off here to the right, you're gonna see the bedroom. I love you got dual pocket doors that open up. You can see all the light and all the cabinetry. Plenty of light in the room. Walk around on both sides of the bed here. You've got inverted outlets, USB A and C back there. And then underneath, massive amount of storage. Take a look at this too. They frame all this in with aluminum. Nice pair of struts there for you too. Quality unit. As we look over here on the windows, you're gonna see this throughout. I love how Keystone uses this live edge finish. They also give you this trim on all the windows. Absolutely love that. Mounting bracket up top. Excuse the lights flashing, but I did want to call out that this is running right now on just solar. We have no batteries, as I stated earlier. So right now this full solar. It's kind of partly cloudy outside. So this is how well the 220 panel and the solar works in the Keystone unit. Right here, you've got your double recliner. Really good size couch there. Got a little pull out here down below. A little extra space. Arms open, give you more space. And then middle comes down, give you a couple cup holders. You don't find that in every unit. A lot of times you're squished together. And this comes right across to the TV. So you got your 5,000 BTU fireplace down there, storage, HD TV, more storage there at the top. Again, these are blackout shades with reflective backing. Come over here to the table. This is a fully separate table, so this table can be removed. It can also be lowered down into a bed. You got storage down below. And you can see the great look on all the windows. Live edge. I love the two-tone cabinetry. Just gives it kind of a warm residential feel in here. Everything seemed to go very sterile for a while. And now everyone's kind of bringing back a little bit of color. I think that's great. Way ahead right here, you've got your 10 cubic feet fridge. This is a really good sized fridge. You can see we're all lit up. Even got some cool air coming out of that because this is, again, a 12 volt and this is on solar right now. So they gave you a convection air fryer microwave in here, as well as a stove and 3 burner. Again, some beautiful cabinets up here. Nice counter space. You got the farm style sink. You do have the end here that can come up, give you a little bit of extra storage. And then Keystone gives you this patented waterfall faucet here. I think that's great. Then we're gonna head into the rear bath in this unit, which is huge. So you get a massive medicine cabinet back here. And check out this storage. This is insane. This is like the size of like a small bunk. I mean, tons of room up there. Again, plenty of cabinetry space there. actual counter space to put whatever you need. You got your tankless control back there. More space underneath here. All nice thick shelving. This is a porcelain foot flush toilet. And as we come up here, you do have a glass shower door. So, splits right there. Got the rainfall shower head. Nice skylights, give you plenty of room. This is a corner shower, but you guys, I have a corner shower as well. I can tell you this corner shower is a little bit larger. Also back here in the bathroom, even more storage. We're really doing a great job of putting storage in these units. So same below. And then as we look back out towards this unit, you're gonna see the barrel ceiling. I love that. You've got LED strips that kind of cover those unsightly lines in the roof. Down below, this is gonna be the hyperdeck floor. So this is the same floor that comes in their Alpine Avalanche models and Alpine models. This is a 5/8 inch, no gap on the floor. So this is a one piece, fully waterproof. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please follow us for more videos like this and all our 2026 walkthroughs. This was the 260 RBS Keystone Bullet Crossfire. If you got any comments, please comment down below, and hope to see you next time.